Hello, dear students. Welcome in your own class. Today we are going to read chapter 9, Kalidas. In this chapter, we will read an interesting story that how Kalidas became the great poet and the scholar. Let's read. Kalidas was the court poet of King Vikramaditya of Ujjain. He wrote many plays and poems in Sanskrit. Kalidas was the court poet of the king Vikramaditya of Ujjain. कालिदास कवि थे किसके दरबार में? किंग विक्रमादित्य जो कि उज्जैन के थे. He wrote many plays and poems. Kalidas wrote many plays and poems in Sanskrit, not in Hindi. There is a beautiful story of how Kalidas got his name. एक बहुत ही interesting story है that how Kalidas got his name Kalidas. It also tells us how he became a great poet. He could not go to school because he was very poor and he had to tend his father's sheep. Tend means take care of. There is a beautiful story. Now let's read the story. It also tells how Kalidas became a great poet. This story will tell us that how Kalidas became a great poet, and he could not go to school because Kalidas couldn't go to school because he was very poor and he had to take care of his father's sheep. उन्हें किसकी देखभाल करनी पड़ी? अपने पिताजी के जो sheep थी उनकी देखभाल करनी पड़ी और वो स्कूल नहीं जा सके. In a nearby city lived a king who had a beautiful and intelligent daughter. In a nearby city there is a king and he had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Vidyavati. She said, "Whoever can answer my questions will be my husband." Actually, Vidyavati said that whoever can answer her question, जो कोई उसके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देगा वो उसका हस्बैंड होगा. Many kings, warriors and learned men tried to answer her questions. Many kings and warriors tried to answer her questions, but they couldn't. लेकिन वो नहीं दे सके. They had to go away disappointed, and they had to go away disappointed, very sadly, upset mood, and she laughed at them. Who laughed? Vidyavati laughed at them. They were very angry. If you will laugh someone, then he will be angry, na? So they all were very angry with her. To Vidyavati. They were very angry with her. They wanted to teach her a lesson. You know that if you laugh at someone, then he will decide in his mind that he will teach you a lesson. So never laugh on others. Okay? They wanted. Now the learned man who came to answer of the questions of Vidyavati, now they wanted to teach her a lesson. One day, some disappointed learned man saw a young shepherd sitting on the branch of a tree. He was cutting it. They thought, how foolish this is, young shepherd. He is cutting the branch on which he is sitting. Soon he will fall down. One day, the learned man saw a young shepherd that is sitting on the branch of a tree, and he was cutting the same branch on which he is sitting. The learned man thought that how foolish the young shepherd. He is cutting the same branch on which he is sitting. Soon he will fall down. Suddenly they had an idea. अचानक उनके मन में क्या आया? एक आइडिया आया. They made a plan. They asked him to go with them. to the city. He agreed to do so. उन्होंने कालिदास से कहा, वो सैफर्ड ही कालिदास थे, उनसे कहा कि तुम मेरे साथ सिटी में चलो. He agreed to do so, और वो करने के लिए तैयार भी हो गए. There they gave him tasty food to eat and delicious buttermilk to drink. उन्होंने वहाँ they gave tasty food to the Kalidas to eat and delicious buttermilk to drink. Then he slept on a soft bed. When he got up, they bathed him, rubbed oil into his skin, and then sprinkled perfume on him. They dressed him in the fine clothes and tied a white and gold turban on his head. The poor illiterate shepherd now looked like a great scholar. After when he woke up, he got up, they bathed him, they rubbed oil into his skin and sprinkled perfume on him. They dressed him in fine clothes. Now he is looking like a scholar. The poor illiterate shepherd now looked like a great scholar. Then they said to him, "Listen, shepherd, we are taking you to the king's palace. There the princess will ask you questions. Don't answer. Make actions with your hands. We will do the rest." The shepherd agreed. After that they said to the shepherd that, "Listen, you don't need to speak any word. We are taking you to the king's palace, and there princess will ask you questions, but you do not reply that questions. You have to make gestures with your hands, and rest of all we will do." The shepherd agreed. और shepherd क्या हुआ? Agreed हो गया. The shepherd and the learned man reached the palace. The guards took them to the princess. Vidyavati laughed when she saw the finely dressed young man. The shepherd and the learned man reached the palace. Shepherd and the learned man reached the palace, and the guards took them to the princess. Vidyavati laughed because she thought that the finely dressed young man, she thought that another fool has come to try his luck. The learned man said, "Princess, here is a great scholar. You can ask him any question. What he will not speak. He will answer only with gestures." The learned man said that in front of you there is a great scholar. In front of you, the shepherd is in front of Vidyavati, but learned man told her that he is a great scholar and he will not reply you, he will make gestures to answer your questions. The princess then pointed one finger at the shepherd. The learned man made signs to him. He pointed two fingers at her. Then she made more gestures. He replied with gestures. The princess then pointed one finger at the shepherd. The learned man made signs to him, and Kalidas pointed two fingers at her. Then she made more gestures, and he replied with gestures. उनने क्या किया? इशारों में ही आंसर दिए. The scholars explained the meaning of the gestures very cleverly, and when Kalidas was making gestures, the scholars explained each of the gestures meaning very cleverly. The princess thought, princess ने सोचा, "What an intelligent man, he shall be my husband." She thought that in front of her, he is an intelligent man and he shall be her husband. The next day, The princess married him, and the princess married him. After the wedding was over, she had a great shock. She found out that the young scholar was an illiterate shepherd. She wept bitterly. She understood that the learned man had tricked her. Now, after the wedding was over, she had a great shock because she found out that the young scholar was an illiterate person. He can't read and write. Even he can't speak properly. That's why she wept bitterly. She understood that the learned man had tricked her. What was she going to do now? अब वो क्या करेगी? How was she going to live with a foolish husband? कैसे रहेगी वो एक foolish husband के साथ? At last, she thought of a plan. Vidyavati thought of a plan. She said to her husband, "Go to the Kali temple tonight and bolt the door from inside," she said. In fact, she ordered to her husband, "Go to the Kali temple of Kali tonight." आज क्या करें वो? काली माता के टेम्पल जाएं और अंदर से जो क्या करें, दरवाजे को बंद कर लें. At midnight the goddess Kali will knock on the door. और आधी रात को गॉडेस काली क्या करेंगी? डोर को नॉक करेंगी. And ask you to let her in, and she will ask you that उन्हें आप अंदर आने दें. Tell her that you will open the door only if she blesses you with wisdom. और उन्हें आप बता देना कि वो डोर तभी ओपन करेंगे जब काली माता उनको विजडम बुद्धिमत्ता से ब्लेस वरदान देंगी, बुद्धिमत्ता का वरदान देंगी. इफ़ द गॉडेस एग्रीज, अगर गॉडेस एग्रीज होती हैं, देन ओपन द डोर एंड लेट हर इन, तो उन्हें अंदर आने देना. इफ़ शी डजंट एग्री टू ब्लेस यू, डोंट ओपन द डोर. और अगर वो एग्री नहीं होती हैं तो आप डोर को ओपन नहीं करिएगा. द शेफर्ड डिड वॉट द प्रिंसेस टोल्ड हिम टू डू. शेफर्ड ने वही किया जो प्रिंसेस ने उनसे कहा. When the goddess came, she agreed to bless him with wisdom. जब गॉडेस आई, वो एग्री हो गई कालिदास को ब्लेस करने के लिए. He opened the door. Then the goddess Kali wrote the sacred letters of the Sanskrit language on his tongue. Then गॉडेस काली ने क्या किया? सारे सैकर्ड लेटर्स ऑफ संस्कृत, जितने भी पवित्र लेटर्स थे, श्लोक थे, वो सारे क्या किए? संस्कृत लैंग्वेज में उनकी टंग में लिख दिए. व्हेन ही रिटर्न टू द पैलेस, जब वो पैलेस को वापस हुए, ही कुड सिंग ब्यूटीफुल पोएम्स इन संस्कृत. नाउ द कालिदास कुड सिंग ब्यूटीफुल पोएम्स इन संस्कृत बिकॉज गॉडेस काली blessed him with wisdom. The princess was very proud of him. Now the princess was very proud of him. The shepherd became a great poet. He was now called Kalidas, or the servant of Kali. Now the shepherd became a great poet. Now he was called Kalidas. अब हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? कहते थे कालिदास. और the servant of Kali, काली के सर्वेंट, बिकॉज द गॉडेस काली हैड ब्लेस्ड हिम, क्योंकि गॉडेस काली ने उन्हें क्या किया था? वरदान दिया था. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर. वॉच द वीडियो अगेन if you have any confusion. Okay, thank you.